Today I'm going to walk you through the installation process for the Century aluminum railing. Keep in mind every install might look a little different, but here's a general overview to get you started. Begin by positioning and mounting your deck posts. There must be at least 4 inches of sturdy blocking underneath the base plate for sufficient driving of the fasteners. Drill pilot holes through the screw openings in the base plate with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Drive fasteners about halfway in place through all 4 screw openings. Measure and trim your railing section to fit the post-to-post opening distance. For the top rail, subtract 5/8 inch from the total top rail length. For the bottom rail, subtract 5/16 inch from each end to ensure equal baluster hole spacing. Insert the bottom rail into one of the already attached bottom rail brackets. Tilt the rail and post until you're able to insert the other end into the accompanying bottom rail bracket. At the halfway point of the bottom rail, set and attach the bottom rail support. Insert the top rail into one of the already attached top rail brackets. Tilt the rail and post until you're able to insert the other end into the accompanying top rail bracket. Using a level to ensure the post is plumb, drive and adjust the lag screws until all fasteners are fully installed. Insert a baluster into each baluster opening in the bottom rail and push down to set fully. Straighten each baluster and interject a spacer clip between the spindles to ensure consistent spacing. Finally, snap the post skirt together to give your railing system the finishing touch. The Century aluminum railing system is available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck railing design, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.